இந்த கேப்புக்குள்ளே போய் நின்று எடுமா அந்த 2 ஃப்ரேம் கேப்புக்குள்ளே எடுக்க முடியுமா?
Good morning. Calming Habitat Diaries. My husband has created lot of extra platforms today, and he's feeding the birds for the snowy day. He not only filled the bird feeder, but also he created multiple platforms and he's providing food for them. This is a beautiful view from my back door to our porch. The tray with the seeds are in the steps, and the birds are coming so close to the house, and they are sharing the food. This is so calming scene that we can create every day in our own backyard. The nature would come and appreciate our help. As I always say, if you have a bird feeder, you are not alone. You will never be alone. So many birds are coming. So many keep coming. When my husband was adding these platforms, I was wondering, what is he doing? I didn't know these many birds will come today and have their feast. Wonderful scene, isn't it? Now, these birds are not regular birds for us. We have uh, finches, sparrows, cardinals, and doves, bluebirds come every day. This was an unexpected occurrence today. They came in flock with the snow from somewhere. They are numerous in number. It's okay. They are hungry and they are eating. I can hear their pecking. And in between, they are going and searching something in the snow as well. Maybe they are having drink of water from the snow. The inspiration is a small help brings the nature near us to our door. This is our back door, back porch. We can enjoy their presence with little help. What we provide is so little, but what we receive from their presence is a huge honor. They honor our effort. They are peaceful. I didn't see them fighting with each other. They are so peaceful. They are sharing the platform, sharing the food, and sharing is the inspiration I derive from this event. And eating and sharing food as a family. This bird family or bird flock or bird community teaches me family, unity, strength in sharing, peace are very powerful. We can keep on watching this whole day. I sign off. Calming Habitat Diaries. Have a nice day. Please subscribe, hype, and like. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.